This is the Formula 4x4 4,000 kilogram GVM upgrade for the LandCruiser 300 series. Keep watching this video and I'll explain why it's the best on the market. The factory GVM of the 300 series is only
3,280 kilograms.
Meaning once you factor in the weight of the vehicle, you've only got about 600 kilograms to play with. Once you add 4 people into the car, you're going to be at factory GVM, meaning you have no room for accessories and no room to carry a caravan or a camper trailer legally. The Formula 4x4 GVM upgrade for the LandCruiser 300 series gives you an extra
720 kilograms
over your factory GVM. It gives you a massive 4,000 kilograms total GVM, allowing you to legally and safely tow a lot more and carry a lot more than the vehicle was originally designed to. It comes with a 5-year unlimited K warranty, and it has been specifically designed to be the most comfortable GVM kit on the market. This kit has been engineered and designed in Australia to suit all conditions, whether that's on or off-road, whether you're going to and from work every day, or going on a hard track, going to Cape York, something like that. The kit I have here will lift your LandCruiser 300 series about 2 inches or 50 millimeters, although that is subject to the load you're going to be carrying. It also comes with an upper control arm to stop any tyre wear issues. The simple fact is these OE shocks just aren't going to cut it. That's why you're going to want a set of big bore shocks, which are a lot larger in diameter, so they hold a lot more oil. And then they've also been specifically designed around on and off-road comfort, no matter what conditions you're in. Formula shocks are bigger and better, valved for comfort and built for on and off-road performance. In fact, through formula engineering, this GVM kit has been found to be up to 5 times more comfortable than the others on the market. Formula 4x4 shocks are built with a 20% larger bore diameter, meaning that they will outperform the majority of other shocks on the market. One of the upgrades you can get for the 300 series GVM kit is an airbag system. So these airbags are really good if you're going to be carrying a really heavy caravan on the back of the car, or you're going to load the car up with a lot of accessories, plus also extra gear when you're going to go away camping or going on a trip. So the airbags just simply go inside the coils, you pump them up to a certain PSI to level the car back out, allowing you to drive the car all nice and level so it's all smooth for you. So another really important upgrade you can get for the 300 series GVM kit is this optional extra panhard rod. It's not included in the kit, but it's highly recommended to get one, mainly because once you put the GVM kit in, it's going to change the height of the vehicle, change the axis of the rear diff, and this will help them correct the axis once it's been lifted. I know that may have seemed like a lot of information, but don't stress. When you purchase one of these kits online, one of our friendly customer service team will reach out to you and ensure you have absolutely everything you need in this kit to suit your application. Now, I know I've talked a lot about this kit. How about we take it off-road and see how it actually performs? As you can see, I'm out here now with the 300 series GVM upgrade kit, and it's honestly really comfortable. A lot of GVM upgrades these days are super firm, super harsh, whereas this kit, not the case. Everything is kept as most comfortable as possible, trying to keep it as close to OEM comfort as possible, but you've still got those heavy duty springs in there, so obviously you expect that a little bit of firmness. With the weight on there though, you're not going to have any issues. Wow, I see why everyone buys one of these cars now, and honestly it drives great off-road, especially with the Formula 4x4 GVM kit. If you want to get yourself one of these kits though, head on over to the Fulcrum website, and if you have any questions about the kit themselves, our customer service team is always happy to help. If you have any questions about the video itself though, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Otherwise, until next time, see you later. GVM kit is an airbag. Now the airbags are really important. Meaning you don't have any room for accessories or towing any heavy bearings.